Hello, I'm Jyotsna, a sustainable watercolor artist based in Graz, Austria. This is my first Kickstarter project, and I want to inspire you through the Natural Paint Making Compendium, an online course to reconnect with your natural world and discover the joys of working with natural pigments in your creative art process. In 2016, I was on maternity leave, and it's my husband's persuasion that led me to illustrate a children's booklet focusing on their health and nutrition. This beautiful project that we did together led me to reacquaint with the artist inside me. Your pledges are the funding that I need to make the Natural Paint Making Compendium, an online course, a reality. Your contribution to this campaign will be your next step forward in becoming a sustainable artist. Thank you.